And today I'm going to show you how to make this slime. And it only takes one thing. And as you can see, it gets dirty really easily. Oh, that was my hair. Okay, so it gets dirty really easily. That's the problem. But it doesn't stick to your hand at all. And it's really sticky though. It feels really sticky. Okay, all you will need is a glue stick. And also the glue stick, like inside, has to be kind of dry for you can actually touch it and it's not going to be all slimy and sticky. So here's this. You always need to wash your hands. And I didn't wash my hands when I did this one, so that's why I want to make a new one on camera. Because this one looks ugly and I'm going to throw it away. Okay, so now get your scissors and kind of cut like that. Wow, that's just a little piece there. Just a little piece. Like that. And then just get more if you want more. It's perfect. I can put a lot on here. I can make a lot of goo or slime. And when you get to more on the bottom, it gets more stickier. Eee. Make sure if you see one speck of gross stuff, wash your hands again. If you think some is a little too sticky, like this, just leave it out for a while and then it'll be good. Yeah. Here's the good piece. Not anymore. And here's another bad piece. Okay, let it sit for a while. I'm going to show you what it looks like when it dries up. And let it sit for about first check on it in 10 minutes. Every 10 minutes check on it. So, yeah. Bye for now. And here's how it's supposed to look like in the end. Ooh. Gross. See? Ew. But here's how it's supposed to look like in the end. See, this one is really dirty. Stretch. Oop. Stretch. 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 And I think you can do that, the slime with just regular liquid glue, like Elmer's glue or something. I think you just need to wait longer for Elmer's glue. So I hope you like and subscribe.